Your car is hiding something from you. Right now, you have driven this car for years, and you still do not know half of what it can do. That mistake has already cost thousands of drivers real money. One tiny button under your dashboard could save you from a locksmith bill, a mechanic bill, or a night stranded on the side of the road. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know secrets your own dealership never told you. Let us start with the one hiding in your hand right now. Secret number 17, the backup key hiding inside your key fob. Picture this: you are standing outside your car, and the fob in your hand is completely dead. Your heart drops because you assume you are stuck, but there is a small latch on the side of that fob, and sliding it open reveals a real metal key hidden inside. That same key slides into a tiny lock, often hidden behind a plastic cover right on the door handle. Most drivers go their entire life without ever touching this feature. Once you know it, a dead battery can never strand you again. This one hidden trick alone can save you a $200 emergency locksmith call. Now let us talk about the button that could save your life on a winter road. Secret number 16, the traction control button most drivers are terrified to touch. That little icon with a car and squiggly lines under it controls one of the most important safety systems you own. Traction control quietly stops your wheels from spinning out on ice, rain, or loose gravel. But here's the part nobody explains to you. Sometimes you actually need to turn it off. If your tires are buried in snow or stuck in deep mud, that same safety system can trap you even further by cutting your power exactly when you need it most. One quick press disables it, and suddenly you can power your way out. Just remember to switch it back on the moment you are free. Knowing this single button separates a confident driver from someone waiting for a tow truck. Speaking of buttons that save you money, this next one might be the most satisfying discovery you make all year. Secret number 15, the button that shuts off that lane warning beep for good. If that constant beeping has ever made you want to throw your steering wheel out the window, you are not alone. Somewhere on your dashboard or steering wheel is a small icon showing a car between two dotted lines. Press and hold it, and that robotic nagging disappears completely. Car makers built this warning for open highways, but it went overboard trying to babysit you on every single street. Some systems even beep at you for calmly avoiding a pothole. A few cars bury this setting deep inside the infotainment menu. But trust me, that little treasure hunt is worth every second. Now, this next button is about to protect your lungs and your air conditioner at the same time. Secret number 14, the recirculation button hiding a bigger job than you think. You know that feeling of getting stuck behind a diesel truck and thick smoke pouring straight into your cabin? That little button with a car inside a circular arrow is not just decoration, it is your personal air shield. One press stops your car from pulling in outside air and starts reusing the cleaner air already trapped inside your cabin. Most drivers think this only blocks bad smells, but it is actually a full filtration system working behind the scenes. Here's the surprising part: this same button can boost your air conditioning performance by up to 20% on a brutal summer day. That means faster cooling, less strain on your system, and a cabin air filter that lasts noticeably longer. That is one more expensive shop visit you just avoided completely. This next one is hiding right under your hands, and almost nobody realizes it. Secret number 13, the steering wheel adjustment lever tucked beneath your column. If you have ever felt like you are stretching too far to reach your wheel, the fix has been sitting inches from your fingers the entire time. Reach beneath your steering wheel, and you will feel a small lever or handle waiting for you. Pull it, and your entire wheel can shift closer, farther, higher, or lower depending on your car. This is not just about comfort, it is directly tied to your safety. A properly positioned wheel keeps your arms relaxed, your gauges visible, and your airbag lined up correctly in a crash. Studies show that nearly 40% of drivers never touch this adjustment, even when they are clearly uncomfortable every single day. Take 10 seconds to find that lever, and your neck, shoulders, and back will thank you on every future drive. Next, we are heading straight into the glare that has blinded almost every driver at sunset. Secret number 12, the hidden sun visor extension nobody remembers exists. You flip your visor down, but the sun still sneaks around the edge and hits you directly in the eyes. That glare is not just annoying, it is genuinely dangerous, because one blinding second is all it takes to miss a hazard ahead. Hidden inside most visors is a sliding panel built exactly for this problem. Pull it outward, and it covers the gap that a regular visor completely misses. Car engineers knew a flat visor could never block every angle of a rising or setting sun. Check the bottom or side edge of your visor right now, because this small slide could transform every future sunset drive. Before we reach the emergency secrets waiting near the end, hit that like button, because it genuinely helps us keep digging up tricks like these. Now let us talk about the button hiding an emergency signal most drivers have never activated. Secret number 11, the hidden emergency mode inside your hazard lights. You already know the quick double tap that says thank you to another driver on the road. But holding that same button down for several seconds can trigger a completely different emergency flash pattern. This distinct pattern tells surrounding drivers that you are in real trouble, not simply pulled over for a phone call. In several luxury brands, a long press can even trigger every exterior light at full brightness, turning your car into a beacon visible from nearly a mile away. Most drivers press it once and walk away, never realizing this button could be the difference between being seen and being hit. Check your manual today, because your hazard button might be smarter than you ever imagined. Now, for a mistake so obvious, it is almost embarrassing that most of us still make it. Secret number 10, the tiny arrow that ends your gas station guessing game forever. You pull into an unfamiliar car at the pump, and suddenly you have no idea which side the fuel cap is on. The answer has been sitting on your dashboard the entire time, right beside the fuel pump icon. A small arrow points directly toward the correct side, ending the awkward guessing once and for all. This detail became standard back in the 1990s, yet half of all drivers still play a guessing game at the pump. While we are already at the gas station, here's a secret that could prevent a $3,000 repair bill. Secret number 9, the hidden hook built to hold your fuel cap. Take a look inside your gas tank door the next time you are filling up. That little hook or notch is not a design flaw. It is built specifically to hold your cap while you pump. Letting that cap dangle or rest on your roof invites scratched paint and dirt straight into your fuel system. Grime sneaking into that system can clog your injectors, damage your fuel pump, and eventually cause total engine failure. Almost every car has this hook, yet roughly 95% of drivers never use it. All of that risk is avoided by a single 2-second habit. Now, here is a trick that turns your key fob into an instant relief button on a brutal summer day. Secret number 8, rolling your windows down using nothing but your remote. You already know that blast of scorching air the second you open a car door in July. On many modern vehicles, holding the unlock button for a few seconds rolls every window down automatically. This feature was originally built for regions where cars sit for hours under direct sun, and American automakers quietly added it without ever advertising it. When your cabin hits over 130 degrees in direct sunlight, this single feature can genuinely prevent a heat-related emergency. It costs nothing, needs no extra equipment, and most owners have absolutely no idea it exists. Now, we are stepping into true emergency territory, starting with a nightmare scenario most drivers never prepare for. Secret number 7, the manual override hiding beneath your gear shifter. Imagine your battery dying in the middle of traffic and your automatic transmission refusing to shift into neutral. Hidden beneath a small plastic cover near your shifter is a mechanical release built exactly for this moment. Pop that cover using your key or a small screwdriver, press the button underneath, and you can shift completely without battery power. This feature became mandatory after several highway incidents where dead cars blocked traffic for hours. Knowing exactly where this hides could be the difference between blocking a lane and safely rolling clear of danger. This next mirror trick is about to change every night drive you take from here forward. Secret number 6, the tiny tab that eliminates blinding headlight glare. You already know the moment a car behind you floods your rearview mirror with blinding light. That glare does not just annoy you, it genuinely reduces your visibility and raises your risk of an accident. A small tab underneath your mirror flips the glass to a dimmer reflective surface built specifically for night driving. Instead of blasting straight into your eyes, that same light reflects harmlessly toward your ceiling. Nearly 14% of drivers over the age of 65 avoid night driving entirely because of this exact glare problem. This tiny flick has existed for decades, and most drivers have simply never noticed it. What comes next might be the most surprising secret in this entire video. Secret number 5, the tiny snowflake symbol quietly warning you about ice. That small icon on your dashboard is not decoration. It is a real temperature sensor built to warn you about dangerous road conditions. Every year, roughly 156,000 crashes happen because of icy roads, and many of them were preventable. Some newer vehicles even shift that warning from yellow to red as temperatures drop into truly dangerous territory. Advanced systems can even share live road condition data with nearby vehicles, creating a real-time safety network on the highway. That tiny snowflake deserves far more attention than most drivers ever give it. Now, we are entering the secrets that could genuinely save a life in the worst possible situation. Secret number 4, the glow-in-the-dark handle built to save someone trapped in a trunk. It sounds unbelievable, but before federal law required this feature, dozens of people lost their lives trapped inside a trunk every single year. Since that law changed, every passenger car now includes an internal release handle designed to glow for up to 8 hours after exposure to light. One pull releases the trunk lock instantly, giving anyone inside a way out without needing a single tool. Most owners have never even checked if their own car has this handle, let alone where it is located. That is a risk not worth taking when the fix costs nothing at all. Now, a hidden storage secret that even thieves would never think to search. Secret number 3, the concealed compartments built directly into your seats and floor. Many SUVs, trucks, and minivans hide storage compartments that most owners never notice for years. Certain Jeep models hide a compartment thieves would never think to check, while other brands tuck one beneath the driver's seat or inside a rear armrest. These hidden spaces are perfect for valuables, emergency tools, or anything you want completely out of public view. Instead of cluttering your trunk or back seat, everything stays organized, hidden, and safe. This next feature might already be quietly protecting your hearing without you ever realizing it. Secret number 2, the speed-sensitive volume control adjusting your music without you touching a single button. Have you ever noticed your music growing louder on the highway, then softening at a red light? That is not your imagination. It is a speed sensor and cabin microphone working together to counter rising road noise automatically. Some advanced systems even learn your personal listening habits over time and adjust based on whether your windows are up or down. This tiny system quietly removes one more distraction from your hands while you drive. And now, the number 1 secret that will make you feel like a genius every single day for the rest of your life. Secret number 1, the moment your car locks itself the second you walk away. You take a few steps from your car, then stop, wondering if you actually locked the doors. On many modern vehicles, the moment your key fob leaves its sensor range, every door locks automatically without you lifting a single finger. Some cars even let you set a short delay, giving you time to grab one last forgotten bag. This single feature protects your belongings, cuts your risk of theft, and erases that nagging doubt for good. Check your settings menu today because this peace of mind might already be sitting there, waiting for you to turn it on. So tell me honestly, how many of these 17 secrets did you already know before today? Drop the exact number in the comments right now because I genuinely want to see how many hidden features you already had figured out. If this video just saved you from a mechanic bill or made you realize your own car is smarter than you thought, hit that subscribe button for more secrets like this one. Your wallet and your safety will thank you.